saw your name in someone's phone, and for a second I wasn't alone. I almost called, I almost tried, but you're not there, no matter how I cried. They fill the room with empty sound, but you're the silence all around, and every face just fades to gray, 'cause you're the one who slipped away. If you can hear me somewhere tonight, why does it still feel like you're mine? Do you hear me still when I call your name? Or am I just screaming into nothing again? Do you feel this love, or did it disappear? Tell me I'm not alone. Tell me you're still here. I'm standing on this stage, but I'm breaking inside, smiling for the world while I'm dying to hide. If you're somewhere out there, just give me a sign. Do you hear me still, or did I lose you in time? I kept your voice inside my head, repeating words you never said, like I'll be back, away from me. But time don't care about memory. I wear your love like it's my skin, but it don't warm me from within. And every night I lose the fight between what's gone and what feels right. If you can see me standing here, why does the world feel so unclear? Do you hear me still when I fall apart? Or did you take the pieces of my heart? Do you feel this pain echo through the dark? Or am I just talking to a fading spark? I'm singing every word like it's my last breath, trying to outrun the silence you left. If love never dies, then where have you gone? Why does forever feel so wrong? I don't need heaven, I don't need light, I just need one more moment tonight, one more second to say your name before this world forgets our flame. Do you hear me still? Right here alone. Every tear, every line still belongs to you and I. Or is it gone? Was I just holding on too long? If this is love, then why does it kill? Tell me you hear me. Tell me you still. Do you hear me still? Do you hear me still? To you.